Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello crafters! In this video I will explain how to make Tilda dolls. To begin your charming Tilda doll project, you will need a few essential materials. First, gather soft cotton fabrics for the doll's body and clothing. Next, select high-quality polyester fiber fill to ensure a firm, huggable stuffing. Don't forget your basic sewing tools, such as sharp scissors, needles, and matching thread. Finally, choose embroidery floss for adding delicate facial features and other small details. Having these items ready will set you up for success. Now, let's move on to preparing your pattern and fabric. First, print and carefully cut out all the individual pieces from your chosen Tilda doll pattern. Next, pin these pattern pieces securely onto your selected fabrics, ensuring the grain line is correct. Then, cut out all fabric pieces precisely, remembering to add a small seam allowance, typically about 1/4 inch. It is crucial to cut 2 mirror images for symmetrical body parts like arms and legs, ensuring your doll is perfectly balanced. With your fabric pieces cut, it is time to start sewing and stuffing. Stitch the fabric pieces together, leaving small openings on each piece for turning and stuffing later. Once sewn, carefully turn all the pieces right side out using a turning tool to achieve crisp edges. Next, stuff the doll firmly and evenly with polyester fiber fill, paying close attention to the head and limbs to avoid lumps. Finally, close all the openings with a neat ladder stitch, creating a seamless and professional finish. The final steps involve assembling your doll and adding those special finishing touches. Securely attach the doll's limbs and head to the body using strong thread or small buttons for articulation. Next, embroider delicate facial features, such as small eyes and a tiny mouth, to bring your doll to life. Then, dress your Tilda doll in charming handmade clothes and accessories, like a tiny dress or a small bag. Finally, add unique embellishments to personalize your creation, making it truly one of a kind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.